What is a ramp test? A ramp test is a structured, incremental exercise test designed to measure physical performance. It's widely used in cycling and running to assess fitness levels, track progress, and create personalized training programs. By using Train.Red sensors, you can measure muscle oxygen levels. This allows you to find muscle thresholds and tailor your training with precision. Let's get started. Open the Train.Red app, tap on Measure, and select Perform Test. Choose between the 1-minute or the 3-minute ramp test. The 1-minute ramp test is shorter, focusing on anaerobic capacity and peak power. It's ideal for quick feedback in beginners. The 3-minute ramp test is better for estimating aerobic capacity (FTP) and sustained efforts, making it suitable for experienced endurance athletes. After choosing your test, take a moment to read the explanation about its purpose and relevance. Then click Next to check the test protocol. The ramp test protocol includes a 5-minute warm-up, the ramp test itself, starting at 100 watts and increasing by 20 watts every 1 or 3 minutes, depending on the test you chose, and finishing with a 5-minute cooldown. And then click Next and make sure you have everything ready. Ensure your smart trainer is ready and connected to your bike. Any smart trainer will work. Pair your Train.Red sensor in the app and position it correctly on your muscles. Once everything is set, press Start to begin. The app will guide you step by step, marking each stage and notifying you when a new step begins. Make sure you push yourself to exhaustion for accurate results. When you can no longer maintain the intensity, stop the test and proceed to your cooldown. After the cooldown, stop the test in the app to view your data. The app automatically identifies 2 breakpoints. Breakpoint 1, when muscle oxygen begins to decrease, and breakpoint 2, when muscle oxygen stabilizes or shows an abrupt decrease. Review these thresholds for accuracy and adjust them if needed, and save your changes. Once you are satisfied with both breakpoints, generate your report to view detailed insights about your performance. And that's it. You've successfully completed a ramp test using the Train.Red app. Use this data to refine your training and achieve your goals.